today we will be tackling the distributor O-ring and the cap seal. I don't know what the cap seal is, but it's a seal. So we have a 2001 Honda Prelude. This here, it's the distributor O-ring, and what the fuck this thing is? Cap seal. First step, we mark it. Spot. Before we go any further though, I'm gonna disconnect all the cables on the distributor. The cap has 3 bolts, one at the top, one on the side, and right at the back there. We must remove 3 bolts. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2 at the back there, and bolt number 3. Don't know if I can get an angle of it. Yeah, no, trust me, there's one under there.
Alright, now the second you take the distributor off, take note, or definitely please just take a photo of exactly how the spindle is positioned on both sides in relation to the engine, just in case you touch it or spin it at all. It only goes in 2 ways and you do not want it to go in the wrong way.
I don't know.
Ignore all the gasket maker here, whoever did this last is just crazy. Just replace that O-ring at the bottom with a new one.
Oh, she's on. Alright. .22 Newton meters is what we're after. Right. And then connect my broken connector, and that should be everything.